Gents, today we're going to be planting a Bareroot Astilbe pink. These are nice, they're a perennial and they're nice in a semi-shaded spot in the garden. So first of all, this is what you get. As you can see, there's a shoot there just coming through. So all you need to do with these is pretty simple. Make your hole, plant it like so. I like to start them up in pots, and then I can keep an eye on them, and then I can plant them when they get going wherever I need them to be. Cover them like so. Easy as that. Some water at the top, and then into the sink. It's really that simple. Nothing more complicated than that. These can be placed outside in a shaded area until you see the first shoots, and then you can plant them wherever you want in the garden. So that's Astilbe. These are the growing instructions on the back. I don't know if you can get that. But any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm really looking forward to seeing this plant in my garden. This is a plant I've never grown before, so anybody got any good advice, please let me know. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye. Today I'm going to be showing you how my Astilbe Bareroot is getting on. It's been in a pot all year, and I'm just going to plant it in the border today. This is it. As you can see, it's grown really well. I'm going to put it in the corner because I know it likes a little bit of shade. It grows to 2 feet high, and it's beautiful pink, as you can see here. So this corner will be perfect. Just next to the foxgloves. What I tend to do is, when I'm planning my border, is just simply place them all on top of the soil before you plant them, like the foxgloves there, the digitalis. So any questions, don't hesitate to ask. That's Astilbe growing from Bareroot. Thank you, bye. Let's get planting. This is the Astilbe. First of all, you want to get it out of the pot this way and just give it a good knock, tap. As you can see, really good roots there. Just loosen them a little bit. Do this with all my plants. Not ripping loads out, just encouraging them just to spread out a little bit more. Once that's been done, right, just dig your hole like so. There's really good soil. I've put plenty of organic matter in, and then gently make sure you get it to the right level, like so, level with the ground. For a minute, and then give it a good water. As you can see, looks really well there. So that's planting Astilbe Bareroot. It's a perennial plant. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.